Alrighty, guys, it is that time. We're going to break down SoFi, go over the charts, how we're looking today as we just got into Power Hour about 10 minutes ago, and we're going to break down the indexes and maybe some other stocks later in the video if we have time. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. And guys, don't forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo as well. Check out the link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you guys get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So man, we are looking pretty good across the board right now in terms of the indexes. SoFi's up around 0.75%, and I couldn't say the same earlier in the day, guys, because look, we were in the red earlier this morning, especially on QQQ. Let me pull this up and show you guys very quickly. You all know at this point, Google reported earnings. Their stock dumped. It's still down, by the way. I'm pretty sure 6-7% in the red. Yeah, it's down about 7.6% right now. That brought down the entire market, but since then, we've rallied, right? We're pushing up on some other big names here, right? The indexes now are back in the green. The NASDAQ 100's up 0.25%. S&P's up 0.25%. Russell's up almost 1%. And on a side note here, guys, I bought more Google today, just a little bit, nibbled some more shares at about 191, and I post all my updates on Patreon. Shameless plug, guys, which is linked down below. We've been building out this portfolio, and now I'm putting in $2,000 a month. Guys, we're blowing up this portfolio. So yeah, go check it out if you guys are interested. So I bought more Google. I think ultimately we're going to rebound here. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, we go lower, I buy more. It is what it is. But yeah, back to SoFi. SoFi right now is pushing almost 1% in the green. Let's go to this 5-day, 5-minute. You guys can see we're pretty much consolidating still based on what we're noticing at least over the last 3 days of trading. You guys see we've held steady at about 15, 20. We held that on Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday, excuse me, guys, 3 days in a row. And that's a good sign considering we dumped to $14, I think, overnight on Wednesday, or Monday, excuse me, into Monday. That was not good. So we've held steady in the mid 15s all week, 15, 16 range all week here. And if I pull up the 1 hour chart, you guys can see what's really going on here on SoFi. We have a wedge. Do you guys see it? We're making higher lows, but at the same time, lower highs. You guys see this right here. Boom, boom, boom. We got all these lower highs being made, and we're slightly under the 180 SMA, but slightly above the 50 SMA on this 1 hour chart. So what direction is SoFi going to pick? Because, guys, we're still technically making lower highs. Yes, we are up on the day, but not really fully breaking out. We're not. And we're going to have to take out $16, $16.50, $17 before we really start to build up that momentum again, which we're not there yet. We're not there yet, guys. And the sell-off since earnings, I guess, technically is continuing, right? But we're in the wedge. Bulls are still fighting. We're making higher lows. So let's just set some alerts here, guys. I'll put one alert at $16 per share. Mark is at or above. I'll put another one at $15. So let's say we go under 15. I'll get alerted there. Let's do that now. Mark is at or below $15. Boom. And yeah, that's what I'm looking at here on SoFi, guys. On the 4 hour time frame, we're slightly under both moving averages still, but I feel like this could break, at some point later this week. Again, my alert's set at $16. We'll see what it does at that point. So let me run through some other stocks on my watch list here that are moving, guys. OKLO is moving and grooving, man. 7.5% in the green. Excuse me, guys. I haven't drank much water today, I just realized. Cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in here. OKLO is ripping, up 7.4% today, and it hit another high. It hit another freaking high, and this stock, man, has just been unbelievable. It's officially a 10 bagger, and this is one that I was not that I was talking about, but I remember like it was yesterday. I was on TikTok live months ago, back in I think August, September, and some guy on there, I forget his name, I wish I remembered to shout him out, but he was talking about OKLO like crazy. He was asking me, Stas, OKLO, 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 take a look at it. And it was at 5, 6, 7, no joke. And now we're in the 50s. Yeah, I didn't buy it back then. I should have. And probably if I did buy it, I would not have held it this long, let's be real. But I wonder if that guy's still holding. If you're out there watching this video, man, I doubt it. But if you are, let me know in the comments. That was insane, and here we are, $50 a share. I don't even know what the market cap is on this thing, but I think it's in treacherous territory here, guys. I'd be careful personally. That's OKLO. We also have ARM Holdings moving. I think they're reporting earnings today. So, guys, keep your eyes peeled on ARM Holdings. You're watching this after the bell, so they're out now, and we're rallying about 5-6% into earnings. You guys can see here, and we're approaching some critical levels of resistance. I mean, we're about to get, we're pushing 180, right, which was the high from around a week, 2 weeks ago. If that breaks, this could be going to 188, 190. So watch out. It's running into earnings. Momentum's building up, but earnings aren't out yet. So that doesn't mean necessarily it's going to keep going up after earnings, but we'll see. Let me know in the comments. You guys are watching this, and the stock, the company, the earnings are probably already out. So NVIDIA's moving today. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that, but NVIDIA's pushing 5%. We'll cover this more in my video later today. Make sure to subscribe, guys. We're almost at 50,000 subs. And Crowdstrike, another one of my holdings, keeps on moving, baby. Up another 2.5%. And what did I say? We called out this ascending triangle, and it's playing out. What did I say, guys? It's looking great. And this one, ever since the IT outage back in July, it tanked for about, a month, if that, and it's just been uphill since, man. We hit $195. I started buying at $235, bought more, I think, at $250. I think I bought more even at $275. I can't remember the exact spots I bought after that those first two buys, but either way, I bought a bunch down here, guys, and now we're going a lot higher. And I think this thing, I mean, sure, it could collapse back to 300, but I feel like it's not going to turn back here, man. It's getting ready for that next big move. 500 could be in sight. Who knows? So Crowdstrike looks really good on the charts. Momentum's building up. And yeah, we'll wrap it there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. And do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You guys get 5 free stocks. And listen to this. It gets a lot better. Fund your account with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, I'm telling you, man, check out the link down below. The clock's ticking, or go to stasurfs.com/Moo. Get your stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.